Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and only this time. Okay, not now. And since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. You can be sure that you're on the photo mode if the photo is highlighted in this bluish color, I would say. So let's take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer option, this clock which is crossed out. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping once we can set 3 seconds delay or 10 seconds delay after tapping the second one. And again, the third one we can turn it off totally. So let me set, for example, 10 seconds delay, and all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. And as you can see, it just catched a photo, so everything went fine. And of course, if you want to, you can turn it off. So just tap on it to have this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.